Hello and welcome to another Code Swag video. Today we're talking about the biggest Ionic conference, Ioniconf 2022. Ioniconf is a one-day, single-track conference covering all things to do with Ionic framework and its ecosystem. It's less than 1 day away, but you still have a chance to register for this 100% online conference. This is the third year running, and there's an amazing lineup of speakers including Gabriel Attic, a mobile DevOps engineer presenting on how to create a simple capacitor app that runs machine learning using TensorFlow.js. A mobile dev architect, Ranjoy Sen, will explain how making common changes across multiple enterprise Ionic apps can be made easier using monorepos and DevOps. We'll also learn how to build stunning visuals from founder of the Ionic Academy, Simon Grimm. And Laura Newsom, a software engineer from Cisco, will demonstrate how we can implement cleaner unit testing in our Ionic apps using SIFERS. This is just a small sampling of the awesome talks that are lined up for Ioniconf 2022. There's also an official Ioniconf app for iOS and Android, very useful for keeping up with all the scheduled talks. It's not too late to register. All you need to do is go to ionic.io/Ioniconf. The conference starts at 10 a.m. Eastern, that's 2 p.m. UCT, on Wednesday, the 25th of May, 2022. See you then.